What's up, everybody? Just got back from Michigan Super Game this weekend. Did a little bit of reffing out there at Hell Survivors. It's fun times. Good time watching everybody play, and got to work the chrono station a little bit. Got to see some really beautiful markers. And speaking of beautiful markers, I just got a nice package in the mail from ANS Gear, and we're gonna do a little unboxing. Tear into this thing real quick. So, got a couple little odds and ends here as well. I got a Joker HK tank for my LV 1.6 back here. My Joker themed LV 1.6. So that'll be really nice on there. Alright, so got that. And then this one is for the new marker that we're unboxing right now. The loader case. I needed an extra loader case because I've got several new ones, a couple that I won in auctions, so just to keep stuff, you know, protected as usual. And we got an HK Alpha Light 77 Doom bottle. This is the Midas color. It's got that matte black and gold finish on it. Very cool. Alright, and now we got the big ticket item. The Luxe Aire. So open up the box, it comes in the case. Really nice case. Alright, and here's our color scheme. Man, that's pretty. It's got the polished gold with the dust purple. So it comes with a barrel cover, a maintenance kit. Looks like 3 power inserts. We got a 680, a 688, and a 684. User manual. And then we flip it over. Man, what a pretty marker. Ooh, very, very soft. And I like that these have the adjustable trigger shoe, so I might need to pull this back towards the trigger frame a little bit for my personal preference, but man, that is a nice trigger. You got your flip ASA, and then your power switch on these is actually in the trigger frame now.
Powering on. Welcome to the Luxe family. Battery level 100%. Firing mode NXL. Powering off.
Well, alright, what do you say we go outside and give her a couple of rips? Alright, so the neighbors are out mowing, so there's going to be a little bit of background noise, but anyway, we're out here. This is not the tank that I bought for it, but this is one I have air in right now, so we're going to gas her up, turn her on.
Powering on. Welcome to the Luxe family. Battery level 100%. Firing mode. Capped semi-auto.
I got it set at capped semi 12.4, so we're gonna see how she shoots. I like it a lot. There it is. Brand new Ripper. Purple gold Luxe Aire. Gold control loader top. Purple HK speed feed. We got the purple HK Aerolite 2 regulator on there with the gold HK 77 Doom tank. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.